Hello everyone, I am Dr. Swapna Naik, consultant gynecologist and fertility specialist, medical director, Sri Swapna Fertility Center, Kondapur, Hyderabad. As in my previous videos, we have discussed 3 to 4 most common causes for causing secondary infertility, that is, causing a problem in conceiving for the second time to a couple. One of the reasons for secondary infertility is related to the uterine factors. As we all know, uterus is a womb. The womb should be healthy so that when the seed, that is the embryo, gets implanted, it should have a good blood supply and a spacious room to grow over a 9 month of the baby's journey in a mother's womb. So uterus is very important for us. So uterine factors which might lead for not getting pregnant for the second time may be like fibroids. As we all know, fibroids are the non-cancerous growths which are found in the uterus. They might be formed in anywhere, any part of the uterus, and accordingly the classification goes as submucous, intramural, subserosal, etc. Submucosal and the intramural fibroids which are distorting the endometrial cavity needs to be removed. These fibroids are supposed to be removed irrespective of the size of the fibroid. What is adenomyosis? When the uterine lining grows in the uterus itself, that is in the myometrium, then the condition is known as adenomyosis, where the uterus becomes bulky, it is like enlarged a lot. It might be a focal adenomyosis or a diffuse adenomyosis. Accordingly, the condition should be treated because it might interfere with the implantation and causing excessive uterine contractions and leading to multiple abortions to the baby. Now, how come these adhesions are formed in the uterus? Multiple dilatation and curettage, that is multiple DNCs, when you undergo for multiple abortions, go on curating the endometrial lining, it forms a dense adhesions inside the cavity, where the cavity, the endometrium doesn't form properly, and it may lead to not getting the implantation procedure successfully done. Even tuberculosis also can have extensive adhesions inside the uterine cavity. So please get evaluated for all these things. Get a hysteroscopy done where you can diagnose yourselves for the reason of these adhesions. Also, some of the congenital anomalies of the uterus, such as septate uterus, these all things to be evaluated because these septums causes less in the cavity space for the baby to grow, where the multiple abortions can take place. So please get your 3D scans done, consult a fertility specialist, get one hysteroscopy, laparoscopy done, and please get yourself treated for if you have any of these conditions. Thank you.